So one of the given question is something like 1 over square root of 1 plus ax minus square root of 1 minus x. Let's assume that this whole thing is equal to y for our understanding. So I'm gonna consider this part as y1 and this part as y2. Let's solve them one by one and then at the end we can subtract them to find out our required answer. So let's assume y1 is equal to 1 over square root of 1 plus ax. So we can write it like this. We can also write it like this because square root has power 1 by 2. If we move this denominator part into the numerator, its power would become minus. So now we can go through binomial expansion through this we can apply binomial expansion on this thing. So it says 1 plus nx, n is power minus half, x is ax plus n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 into ax whole square and so on. We are going to stop it here because in question it is given about x power 2. So this is our 0 factorial, this is 1 factorial, this is 2 factorial. So it would become 1 minus ax over 2 minus half times minus 3 over 2 a square x square over 2 factorial is also 2, so I can write it like this. So we are reached to this position where we can write it like minus minus plus, it would be 3a square x square over 8. So now this is our y1. Now for y2, our y2 is square root of 1 minus x. We know that square root is actually power half. We can put it like this. Now we can apply binomial on it. It would become 1 plus nx. N is 1 by 2 and x is minus x plus n into n minus 1 into x square. This is 0 factorial. This is 1 factorial. This is 2 factorial. So it would be 1 minus half x plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into x square. 2 factorial is 2. You can write it like this, plus something like this. So for simplicity, we can do one more step. 1 minus 1 by 2x minus 1 over 8 x squared. Okay, so this is our y2. Now let's insert these values into our equation, which is here. This is our y1. We have calculated y1, then we will minus y2. So our y would be, this is our y1. Y1 is 1 minus half ax plus 3 by 8 a squared x squared. And we have minus, then 1 minus half x minus 1 by 8 x squared, and so on here as well. Okay, so 1 and then minus 1, these are cancelled. Now we are left with this x containing part and this x containing part. We can take x as a common, so it would be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2a. Similarly, here we have x square containing part and here we have x square containing part. So we can take x square as a common. So it would be 3 by 8 a square plus 1 by 8. So in question we have given, and the given thing is something 4bx 4bx plus bx square. If we compare them, we can say, okay, x equals x, and this part would become equal to 4b. Similarly, x square equals x square, and it means this thing is equal to b. So now we can utilize this information to find out a's and b's value. So our 4bx and x is cancelled with x, so we are left with 4b, which is equal to, taking LCM here, it would be like 2 1 minus a. So b is equal to 1 minus a. I'm gonna move this 4 to the right hand side, so it would be 4 times 2 is 8. So this is our b. Now on the right hand side, we know that b is 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 a squared. We can solve this. 8 would be LCM. So 1 plus 3a squared, which is equal to b. Okay. So now let's compare them. B equals b. It means 1 minus a over 8 is equal to 1 plus 3a squared over 8. 8 goes with 8. We are left with, and this 1 goes with this one. So we are left with minus a equals 3a squared. So we can cancel out this a. So we have 3a, which is equal to minus 1. So we can say a is minus 1 over 3. A is minus 1 over 3. We can find out b as well. B is 1 minus a over 4. So 1 minus minus plus. So it would be 1 plus 1 by 3 over 4. So it would become 4 by 12, which is 1 by 3. So simply we reached here where a is, I think, minus 1 by 3 and b would be plus 1 by 3.